So this is the Casio fx-9750G Mark III, or 9750G Mark III. And what we're going to do is we're going to multiply matrices. To do that, well, we're going to turn it on first. We're going to press the menu button so we can be in number 1. Okay, so we're in number 1 here. And if you look closely, it says this is matrices and this one's math. What we're going to do is we're going to type in these two matrices. Okay, so we're going to press F3, and then matrices A, we're going to execute it. It's a 2 by 2, so 2, enter, 2, enter, and then enter again, execute, same thing. 1, execute, 2, execute, 3, execute, 4, execute. You can see that I typed in the matrix, right? The matrix that I want to put in. Okay, then we can click on exit, and then we can scroll down to matrix B, execute that. There's going to be a 2 by 2, and then enter. We're going to put 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5, enter, 6, enter, 7, enter, 8, enter. Again, enter as execute, right? And then we're going to exit. So now you can see that we have mat A and mat B. Matrix A, matrix B, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. I'm not sure what these numbers are, but okay. What we can do is we can press the option button. And if that does not work, then we got to get out of this. Okay, let's get out of this. Exit. Let's press option. Okay. Then we have list, mat, and so forth. Let's click on mat. Or math, right? Let's do that again. Let's click on option, right? This is math, by the way. So let's get that clear. Then click, or mat, right? But it's math. Click on F2. And this is mat with a small a and a small t. So if we click on this, it's asking, which matrix do you want? And I want matrix A, which is on alpha and the x theta t button. So that's A. And I want to multiply this with matrix B. So alpha B. So we should get a new matrix. I'm going to execute, and there it is. 19, 22, 43, and 50. Very nice, isn't it? And we can also add, and then we can multiply a constant. Let's say I want to multiply 5, or let's do something else. 6 times our matrix A, right? And we enter. There you go. 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12, 18, and 24. All right. So the Casio fx-9750G Mark III can do matrices for you. Many different steps you need to do to access that. But this calculator can do it. So can the TI-30X Pro Math Print, or if you have a C47 that's installed in the Swiss Micro DM42N or DM42, and also the fx-991CW can do it, and we'll figure out how to do that in another video. So again, I hope this video was helpful. I hope you have a great semester. But please tell your teacher, your friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, please give it a thumbs up. We appreciate everybody coming to the channel. The more people that watch, the more views we can get, and the more we can bring out this type of information to different students. Again, I hope you have a great semester, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.